Every time she hits the wall, she gets back up again. That is resilience.
Almost done and got it.
What you got, Park Ranger?
My latest gadget, the Dino Remote Control. It can pause, play, rewind, and fast forward any dinosaur just by pointing it at them. Want to see?
Are you sure it's safe?
Sure.
If you say so.
Come here, little lady. I can't believe it! It worked!
I thought you said... Never mind.
And now for the real test. Let me try to rewind you.
I've been thinking. Orson, maybe it's time we tell Park Ranger Sam the truth.
Truth about what? Santa Claus?
What's the truth about Santa Claus?
That he's a really good gift giver.
Come on, it's not a big secret. No, I've been thinking we should tell Sam once and for all that she's an invention of the Dino Master. I mean, if I were a robot, I'd want to know. You'd tell me if I was, right?
Yes.
I'm a robot?
No, of course you're not a robot. And you know me, I am physically incapable of telling a lie. Maybe I'm a robot.
Wait, are you sure this is a good idea?
Well, if my calculations are correct, pressing this button will rewind our baby dino to go back to where she started.
This may be the greatest invention in the history of humankind! Not just T-Rex Ranch!
Thanks! Should we go try on a bigger dino?
Yes! What could possibly go wrong?
Sam, do you have a second?
Sure, what's up?
We have some news for you that might sound a little strange.
Is it about Santa Claus? Because I already know.
What about Santa Claus?
That he can't possibly deliver all those presents in one night.
He can't?
Which is why he has 36 hours on account of...
The multiple time zones across the globe. Everybody knows this.
Right!
Everybody knows this.
Anyway, Sam, there's something very unique about you that Park Ranger Orson and I thought you should know.
Okay.
You know the Dino Master, right?
Sworn enemy of the T-Rex Ranch Park Rangers. Of course.
Yeah, he invented you.
That's ridiculous. How do you invent a person?
Well, that's just it. You're actually a robot with 3 settings: Real Girl, Robo-Girl, and the Dino Master's henchman. I don't recommend the 3rd setting.
We rescued you from the Dino Master's control, rebooted you, and changed your settings to Real Girl so you wouldn't remember that you were a robot.
But if you want, we can change you back to Robo-Girl so that you'd have your robot powers as well.
I thought you were serious for a minute. Imagine that. Okay, so if I'm a robot, then I have to have some sort of control panel, right?
Exactly.
What about a pteranodon? That'd be pretty cool, right?
Yeah, but I want to test out something bigger, like a Triceratops or Stegosaurus.
That big enough for ya?
Technically, but I think a Gigantosaurus is a little bigger.
Asher!
Kidding! Not really.
Any day now!
Here goes nothing. Okay, so you're going to reset me and change my settings to Robo-Girl? Correct. Okay, I'm not trying to be mean, but this is the most ridiculous thing ever. I mean, you can't just... That was weird. As I was saying...
Greetings! I hope this hologram finds you well. You are Sam, the secret autonomous machine. If this Sam shall reach you in error, please return her to the evil Dino laboratory. Care of me, the Dino Master. I'll turn this off.
Did I just project that hologram from my eyeballs?
Pretty cool, huh?
I'm not sure. I need a minute or two to myself.
Robot blues. Seen it happen.
It's okay. She needs this time.
Well, like my mom always said, be kind and rewind. Uh-oh. Nobody's here. Oh, hi, Asher. Hi, Sam. Are you okay? Yeah. Actually, no. I just found out I'm a robot. Oh, yeah. I knew that. You did? Do you think I'm weird? Of course not. I think robots are awesome, and girls are... Well, let's just say it all evens out. Thanks, Asher. That makes me feel better. I would hug you, but... We don't need to hug. Hey, where's Maisie? Oh, well, hopefully she's still on pause between the jaws of a hungry T-Rex. What? I'll tell you the whole story on the way there. Let's go! I see your problem. Luckily, you have a full-fledged robot park ranger ready to help. What do we do? As soon as I give you the signal, press play and stand back. Hit it!
My whole life flashed before my eyes. Bingeable. What happened, Asher?
It's a long story.
Actually, I can tell you the whole thing in 8.7 seconds. I'm a robot, but it's cool. Is there something you're not telling me about Santa Claus? You can't lie, remember?
All right, Park Ranger. Here's the truth. Santa isn't really a native of the North Pole.
I knew it. Is he from the Midwest? I just get that vibe, don't you?
Yeah.
It's been a while. We should take the babies and head back to HQ.
Good call. Hey! The gang's all here. Maisie, doing all right? You're looking a bit pale.
Oh, it's because a T-Rex almost ate me and I was frozen between his jaws for what felt like a very long time. So yes, it's been a day. Thanks for asking.
Now Another day at the ranch.
Good point.
What's that, Asher? A new gadget?
Yeah, but it's broken. I need to install a flash drive to do a diagnostic. How about a thumb drive? Sure. My pinky's also a corkscrew if that helps anybody.
Santa isn't really a native of the North Pole.
The nerve of this guy. Hey, Gumdrop, put Park Ranger Orson down for a lump of coal this year. That's right, Park Ranger Orson from T-Rex Ranch. Flying that I'm not real.
Nice costume, Park Ranger Zoe. I wish mermaids were real.
Thanks. They are real. They just want you to think they're not.
What do you think of my vampire costume?
What was that now?
What do you think of my vampire costume?
Whoa, those teeth are awesome.
Yeah, but no biting. We get enough of that from the dinos. I think you might win the Ranger costume contest later. A caveman?
Yup, a tough caveman.
Ooh, very nice. Super prehistoric.
Today we're gonna pass out some special Halloween treats I made for the dinos. It's kind of like reverse trick-or-treating.
Awesome, I'm ready.
Wait! Before we go, I have to tell you a spooky story. Where I'm from, that's the tradition.
But not real spooky, right?
Let's go. Okay. This is the story of the bad luck bone. Once upon a time, there was a park ranger named Mildred. She worked at the Dino Park in England. It was Halloween, and she was doing her daily dino check when she came across a bone sticking out of the ground. She knew she should leave it, but it was too tempting to show her friends. So she dug it up and kept it. And as soon as she walked away, she started having bad luck. She spilled her drink, she stubbed her toe, and then a T-Rex chased her!
A T-Rex chased her? I guess we have bad luck every day.
But it never stopped chasing her until she left the bone behind. And then somebody else picked up the bone. Then they had bad luck. And to this day, the bad luck is passed down to whoever has the bone. And so, the legend says that if you dig up a dino bone on Halloween, you will have bad luck.
Good story, Park Ranger Zoe.
Yeah, but it's just a story, right?
A true story.
Nah, that can't be true.
All right. Let's go pass out these dino treats, shall we?
What about paleontologists? They dig up fossils all the time.
Yeah, but not on Halloween.
Hey, look!
What is it?
We'll find out.
Cool, a dino tooth.
No, don't touch it. Do you really want to test the bad luck legend?
Technically, it's a tooth, not a bone.
Seems okay. Wow, big tooth.
Maybe we should put it back.
But there's something special about this one. I think I'm going to go take a picture of it so I can show Park Ranger Naomi. Then we can put it back.
She's acting a bit weird.
Yeah, you think?
What in the world?
It is bad luck.
You all right, Park Ranger Zoe?
Oh no, we gotta go rebury it.
Oh, Brother Saurus.
Here we go again. Okay, I'll go put it back by myself.
Here, behind this tree.
Well, this is a pretty big tooth, and it does sort of match my costume. Maybe I'll just take a quick photo. I'll be the king of the vampires with the biggest tooth ever. Oh, hey there, Park Ranger Aaron. What's up?
All systems down. You better check all the paddocks.
What? I'll check right now. All paddocks are down. And there's a stampede coming. I better let the other park rangers know right away, and then I'll run. Thanks, Park Ranger Aaron.
No problem. See ya.
Maybe I'll run first.
It's not going away.
Why is it even here? It's so far from its paddock.
Oh, it's that tooth. Bad luck, I tell you. Oh, hey, we have the Dino Zapper.
Oh yeah, you can just zap it back.
Yeah. Okay, our luck is turning. You know what? I think you're gonna have to do it, Park Ranger Asher. I'm too big. He's gonna see me. That rock. Hey, ready? Yes! Nailed it! Yeah!
Park Rangers, do you copy? There's a stampede coming your way. Retreat to base camp. I repeat, retreat to base camp.
Come on, let's go.
All paddocks are down.
What? The force override isn't working! We're gonna have to turn them all on manually!
Wait, where are the Halloween dino treats?
What? They're gone? Ugh! Okay, we've gotta go rebury that tooth right now! You head over there, Park Ranger Asher, and we'll meet you there. We're gonna go lock all the locks manually.
I've got you covered.
Thank you.
Silly tooth. All because of you. Actually, this would go perfect with my caveman suit. I could win the costume contest. Maybe I'll take one quick photo. Spinosaurus? Why is it even here? It's so far from its paddock. Park Ranger Zoe, this tooth is really, really bad luck. I think we should all go bury it now.
Let me guess. You took a selfie with the tooth, didn't you?
Yeah.
It's fine. We'll be right there. We'll meet you at the T-Rex paddock.
At least the herbivore fence is on now, so that'll stop the stampede.
Oh, excuse me.
I'll be taking that. Olivia?
That's Gadget Wizard to you, Ranger Nerd.
Are you dressed up as the Dino Master?
Yep, my personal hero. You silly Rangers really thought that this tooth was bad luck, when really it was me, the whole time, playing these tricks on you. Spooking your dinos to make them go running, hacking your gadgets to make them go crazy, hacking your fence, stealing your dino treats. You did what?
So, the legend?
It's all just a bunch of hocus pocus.
Oh, thank goodness.
Man, I'll be holding on to this dino tooth to expose you and your park. I even have photos too. Huh? Ah! Wait, no! My camera, my photos, my proof!
Ha! He's eating your phone.
This tooth really is bad luck. Yikes!
on.
Everyone, back to base camp. Olivia, you too.
Fine!
Wait for me!
Yes, all paddocks are working again. Oh, bad luck gone.
Wait, Gadget Wizard, do you want to join our costume contest?
Really? I mean, no way. I can just have one at my own ranch. But there will be no one to go to it. All right, fine. And I promise not to hack anything else, but just for today.
Deal.
Oh, right.
That's where they went.
Sorry.
Mission log 611. Never test a theory about bad luck, especially on Halloween.
Okay, costume contest time. Everyone line up. Come on over on this side. Step to it. Here we go, here we go. Line up, you there, you there, you there. Beautiful. Coolest costume goes to Park Ranger Asher.
Cool!
And funniest costume goes to Park Ranger Darren.
Wait, it's not supposed to be funny. Oh, who cares? It's chocolate.
And scariest costume goes to Olivia!
Scariest costume? Yes, that is my favorite category.
Okay, let's all take a picture. Wait a minute. My picture of the tooth is gone.
Mine is too.
So is mine.
Let's just eat some candy and pretend like this day never happened.
Deal.
I'm not gonna be able to sleep tonight.
Burn.
Oh man!
Are you okay, Park Ranger Darren?
No, I spilled coffee on the computer and now all the park cameras are down. Can you go guard the front gate until I get them back up? You know how finicky the fence can be, and I want to be extra safe. I really need to get a spill-proof mug.
Sort of like a sippy cup for adults.
Yeah. Sort of.
Okay, off to guard duty. This is boring. I should have brought a snack.
I have a snack for you.
Ah! How'd you get here? I didn't even hear you.
I have a light step. So I'm selling girl troop cookies if you're hungry for a snack.
I'm not supposed to let anybody in right now. And I don't have any money.
But the first box is free. I'll just hand them to you and then go.
Free? I love free cookies. Okay, but only for 1 second. Park Ranger Darren, I have some free cookies. I repeat, I have some free cookies. Come and eat.
How? Did you turn off the... Wait, did you say free cookies? I'm coming.
Huh? Where'd she go? Uh-oh.
She's gone? That is so strange. And it's not even the season for girl troop cookies. What's that? A watch? GW. Oh no! Gadget Wizard! Come on, we better go find her before she gets into too much trouble.
She's good.
Darn tootin'.
Some cookies for some photos. Here you go. I can't wait to post these online and make everyone jealous. Cookies for you and cookies for you. Everyone gets cookies.
Okay, I'm getting something. I think it's her footsteps. They're getting closer. Are you getting anything on the dino tracker?
Nope.
There it is again.
I think those are your footsteps.
Mine? Yup, they're mine.
You don't have a light step.
That was definitely not me.
Oh no! What happened? She looks sick.
And there's vomit over there. This Triceratops must have a tummy ache.
From what? We didn't even feed the dinos yet.
Oof. Cookies. It looks like Olivia's been feeding them on her own. And some of these dinos can't eat cookies. It makes them sick.
Yeah, or maybe they ate too many of them. That happened to me once.
Well, we better stop this cookie party soon, or we'll have a lot more dinos with tummy aches. Let me see. I think I can reverse this. Olivia, if you can hear me, stop giving the dinos cookies. It's making them sick. I repeat, cookies are making the dinos sick. Barf alert, barf alert. Dino barf alert.
Making them sick? These are just tiny little cookies, and those are huge dinosaurs. They're just saying that so they can make me come back so they can kick me out. Maybe I'll just double check.
Can you go get the dino tummy medicine from the supply kit?
Yup, I'm on it. Silly cookie. From now on, I'm eating vegetables.
Those veggies better watch out. All right, time to get my laser mover to get this Triceratops over into some cover. There we go, girl. Right there.
Oh no, the dinos really are sick. I didn't mean to hurt them, really. I just wanted to take a photo. How can I fix it?
Well, Park Ranger Asher is going to go get some dino medicine. But in the meantime, did you throw any more cookies around?
Yeah, a lot of them.
Well, then I guess you're going cookie hunting.
Okay. Wait a minute. I know how we can find them fast.
Oh, is that our fossil finder?
Yeah, I was trying to find a fossil. You know, to keep as a souvenir. Anyways, I can reprogram this to detect sugar instead.
Wow, that was fast.
I'm an honor student.
Okay, you go find the rest of the cookies. We'll get the ones here and tend to the sick dinos.
All right. Gadget Wizard, to the rescue! Come on. I know there's some around here somewhere. Aha! Found you. Just one more area to check. Here comes the Gadget Wizard.
That's a lot of cookies. No wonder this dino's sick. Ooh, we better hurry, or we're gonna have a lot more sick dinos on our hands.
I got the medicine. Ew, more barf.
Unfortunately, yes. 2 jars. Ugh, that's right. One of them's expired, but I don't remember which one.
Taste test?
I guess we'll have to. The fresh one will taste like grape. The expired one will taste, well, like rotten grape.
Yuck! Have fun!
Yeah, this is definitely the expired one.
Ew!
All right, that's the fresh one. You better throw one into her mouth.
I don't want to do it, you do it!
I don't want to do it, you do it.
I can't, it's too gross!
Well, we gotta give her the medicine somehow. Let's see if Park Ranger LB has anything we can use.
Hey, Park Ranger LB here.
Hey, Park Ranger LB. We have some sick dinos here, and we were wondering if you have anything we can use to give them their medicine. And we don't want to get too close, because what if she throws up while we give her the medicine?
Oh no! I'll send you something that can help.
Cool! Thanks, Park Ranger LB!
No problem. See ya.
Cool! A slingshot!
Oh, well, that makes sense. Let's get a little closer.
I can smell it from here.
Yeah, you better make this quick. Ooh, nice shot. Right into her mouth.
She's chewing! She swallowed it!
Awesome! She's starting to feel better. But I'm not. I'll be right back. You take care of any more sick dinos.
Okay, but do you want a fresh? Oh, okay, I tried.
Aha! Yes! Gotcha! Only one last cookie to go. And this is the farthest I walked, so it should be around here somewhere. Where could it be? No, don't eat that. You're gonna get a stomach ache. All right, here goes nothing.
Call for Park Ranger Darren. All sick dinos have been taken care of. Did Olivia finish collecting cookies?
Yes, Tara!
I guess she's not used to running from T-Rexes.
Definitely not.
Here's the cookies.
Aha! Oh, she forgot her camera.
Perfect.
I guess we can delete those photos she took. Oh, and you know what? I forgot to give her watch back. Oh well, I guess she'll be back on the ranch sooner or later. Here you go, partner. Cheers! Well, we better go clean up some dino throw up. And some human throw up too.
Ew!
Hey, wait for me!